going to show something. This is my new rabbit. I bought it. Now I'm going to unpack this doll, this LOL. See, look at this package. Now I'm going to unbox it.
Wait.
Hello, my name is Anamta. I'm going to show something for you first. I got this thing. I'm going to paint on it. There's some paint. I'm going to hang it in my wall. And this is my LOL. See, there's some surprise. And see, there's a new doll. And this is a bag. That's why you can get a lot of collections with these. And my mom bought this for the lights for the bed. That's why I cannot be scared or something. And I have that slime. I have the slime. And
How many colors?
I have, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 colors. And I got this clip. This is so nice. Look at these. You have two. I can just style my things. Now I'm going to unpack this LOL now. I don't know what's inside here now. Now let's unpack this now. I'm a little bit excited. And now I'm going to unpack this thing now. And we're unpacking now. We're unpacking, okay?
Be careful.
Okay, I'm being careful. And this is so much fun. And this is the, oh my god, I cannot get the doll out. Now I get it. This is the LOL. I got it. Now I'm going to open this mystery. Where's it? This one looks nice. This is
How many dolls?
I think it's 5. It's 4. No. I have 5 dolls here. Now I'm unpacking this slime now. This is so colorful. Now I'm going to open one each of the slimes. I really want to open this. Look, they just kind of color it out. That hurts. And I have pink. And pink. I'll go to the side first. And I have 1 minute, guys. I have another pink. This is purple. This is yellow. This is another purple. And blue. I have blue color, red color, green color, and I have pink color. This is dark pink color. This is yellow. This is purple. This is orange. This is white. Now I'm going to open them immediately. I'm going to open this white one first. And I don't have to open this white one. My mother is going to open it. Oh, I open it now. And it's so soft. It's so clear. It's so clear immediately. It's so clear. You do not see the color. It's so clear and so sticky, guys. It's so sticky. So sticky a lot. So sticky. This white one is so sticky. Now I'm going to open the rest off, okay, guys? This white one is so sticky. Now I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to open this purple one now. This purple one is a little bit hard. My mother will open it. I can just open it by myself. Good. This purple color is so beautiful. This is nice. And this is so gooey. And this is so soft. You see, this is so nice and soft. And now I'm going to open the rest off, okay? Can I pressure this a little bit? See, guys. I'm gonna open this dark pink one now. This is two pink colors. This is the light one. This is the dark one. And this is I'm so sorry, guys. I don't have yellow. And blue goes here. And that's enough dolls I have now, guys. Now let's open the slime first. This dark pink. Now I open the slime. This is so soft. Now I'm so still gooey a lot. No, it's a little bit soft and wet. No, it's not even gooey enough. Now I'm gonna open the rest off, okay, guys? Let's close this now and let's put it. Now I'm gonna open this yellow one. It's too hard. My mother's gonna open it. Open it, Mama. Open it now. Stop laughing, Mom. And now my dad just bought that big light. There's pretty more slimes here now. Let me open this light pink now. Let's move these other wells. And just open this thing now. A little bit sticky also. This is so pinkful. I'm gonna open the rest of, okay? It's still sticky and so sticky. Let me collect them from all from my fingers. Oh my God! It's so sticky. This is the light pink here. Here. Oh. Now I have two pink colors. This is the light one. This is the dark one. Now I'm gonna open the green ones now. Let me move these dolls away. And put in a red one now. Now let's open this doll now. Now let's open this thing now. It's so gooey, guys. It's a little bit gooey. Why my dad buy these things? I'm almost done, guys. Subscribe my video and like my video. And you don't like my video, I'm just going to love, okay? If you like my video, I'm going to love it. And let me move this blue doll away. Now let me put this one now. And I'm almost done. The last color. Now, it's a little bit hard to open it now. I have only more colors left. See? More colors I have. Now the green I have also. Now the blue. See these lights? These are so beautiful. They're glowing like a slime, like a light bulb. I'm opening slime. This is the last one I saw. So I'm going to unpack it. After these things will be done. This is a little bit lighter. This is dark. I'm just going to spread by itself. And now I'm going to open the rest of. This is dark blue. Oh my God, it's so hard. Guys, I'm so sorry I opened like that. I'll open these two green ones after I'm going to open them. Look, let me do it from this side now. Now, it's a dark green now. And I'm going to put this red one on. More dolls left. Yeah, this doll left. And this is the blue one. This has blue hairs. It's a funny one. And now I have a bottle too. I'm going to drink it, just pretend. And I'm going to just the sound of a Wells box. Now I'm going to have this gooey slime now. It's still gooey a lot. It's blue color and dark. And it's a little bit sticky. Papa. That's when my dad bought this for me. It's still a little bit sticky. Now I'm going to just open the rest of it. This is a little bit sticky. I'm not going to play with it now. And it's still a bit sticky and watery and gooey. I have this giraffe. I'm going to paint it now. This is a country.
Say the show, can I giraffe?
So see, here's the little rock. I'm gonna paint it, and this is the font tree. I'm gonna color. Here in the bottom, and paintbrush. This is the paintbrush. And now I'm gonna color this now. I'm packing now. Hello. Okay. Now, good enough time now. I can play with my yellow bells later. I cannot put my yellow bells back. My dad just stepped on it. This one's a mystery. You can also drink the bottle. Now I'm going to collect all the slimes here now. Now, this pink one's more sticky. Now I'm going to open that painting. Show to everyone. And I got this blue one getting more higher now. Let me put this in the bottom. I just want in my bedroom now. I'm going to feed this little bell now. Now she's going to drink now. Drinking now. And this little bell can drink too. See? This little bell can drink too. Now she's going to drinking now. See guys? Look, she's drinking by herself. Now she... I have 5 yellow bells here now. This is my bunny. She's lying down now. And see, this is the blue hair color. These are twins. See, these two colors are green, and this is dark pink. This is light pink. Bye, guys. Subscribe my video now, okay? And subscribe my video and said like my video, okay? Bye, guys.